Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of SEO to talk about something critical. On-page SEO mistake that could be destroying your website ranking. But don't worry, I have got the fixes to help you boost your ranking and performance. So let's get right into the top 10 mistakes and more importantly, how to fix them. Mistake 1. Ignore title tag and meta descriptions. Your title tag and meta descriptions are often the first thing people see on search engine. Ignore them is a major mistake. Without those, you are missing out of the huge chance to intense user to click. Fix right conscious keyword-rich titles and engaging meta descriptions. Remember to keep the title under 60 characters and the title descriptions under 160 characters. Mistake 2. Keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing is a classic mistake that Google hates. Overloading your content with keywords does not help ranking. In fact, it can harm them. The fixes. Use keywords naturally, focus on creating high quality, removable content rather than jumping keywords in every sentence. Mistake 3. Thin or duplicate content. Having thin or duplicate content is a major red flag for search engines. So, if your content does not provide real value or is copied from another source, your site will get penalized. Fixes. Create original wall research content, arm for depth, and ensure that each page serves a unique purpose of your visitors. Mistake 4. Ignoring mobile optimization. In today's world, most users access website from mobile device. Ignore mobile optimization means you are losing traffic and potential ranking. Here are the fixes. Ensure your site is mobile friendly, use responsive design and test it on multiple devices. Mistake 5. Slow page speed. Nobody likes a slow website and search engines feel the same. So loading speeds can kill your user experience and your ranking. Here are some fixes for these issues. Compress image, enable browser caching and consider using a content delivery network CDN like Cloudflare to boost your site speed. Mistake 6. Missing alt text for image. Images are great for user engagement, but without alt text, they can't help you SEO. Search engines rely on alt text to understand your image. Here are some fixes. Always include descriptive keyword relevant alt text for every image for your site. Mistake 7. Poor internal linking. Internal linking is essential for grounding users and search engines through your site. Non-existent internal links hurt your site discoverability. Fixes. Use internal links to connect related content, making sure your users and Google can easily navigate your site. Mistake 8. Neglecting header tags like S1, S2 or S3. Header tags are critical for structuring your content and helping search engines understand the hierarchy for your informations. Fixes. Use proper heading tags, S1 for main titles, S2 for subtitles, and go on to break up your content and improve readabilities. Mistake 9. Not optimizing URLs. A clean keyword optimized URL is a much more user-friendly and SEO-friendly than on filled with random numbers and tight letters. Keep URLs short, descriptive, and include your target keyword where relevant. Mistake 10. Forgetting about analytics. Not using analytics is like a flying blind. You are not tracking your user performance, you can't improve it. Fixes. Set up Google Analytics and other SEO tools to monitor traffic, bounce rate, and other key metrics. So there you have it. The top 10 on-page SEO mistakes that could be costing your rankings and traffic. Make sure to avoid those mistakes and apply to fixes we have covered today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below if you have any SEO questions. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.